guys, it's That Coaster Dude here for another video. Today we are visiting SeaWorld San Diego, and I'm here with Lydia and Abby. So let's have a great day. Sitting just north of downtown in Mission Bay Park, SeaWorld San Diego, the very first SeaWorld park, opened in 1964 and is currently home to 4 roller coasters, several other family-based rides, and numerous animal shows, aquariums, and viewing areas spread out over 189 acres. And of course, the first stop of the day is gonna be with our little fishy friends here, who like to eat the dead skin off of your hands. How's it feel, Abby?
It's like I'm getting my hands vacuumed. A bunch of little faces.
Whoa, Lydia, they really like you.
Yeah, I don't know what this says about the cleanliness of my hands.
Not good.
Not good.
All right, I'm gonna try it out. Oh, they like me.
Warming you.
All right, this little guy here is called the epaulette shark.
Pretty cool. Just 1 or 2 fingers.
All right, guys, we're walking through this lighted tunnel here. Maybe we can come back tonight and it'll be lit up, but we are making our way to what you guys all really want to see, and that is the roller coasters. We're gonna hit up 3 out of the 4 of them right here on the right side of the park. All right, guys, for the very first ride of the day, we're doing Journey to Atlantis, and there they go, storming ahead.
I'm also, how tall is this? Where's the drop? Okay, here we go. We're gonna go push around. Are we gonna go upside down? How in the world can we go upside down? Oh no!
All right, here comes the big drop.
Oh no!
Rapid reaction, of course. Journey to Atlantis is a really fun family ride. We had a little kid that's sitting right behind us. Really, anybody can ride this ride. It's pretty smooth. There's water involved, obviously. It's themed a little bit, but overall, just a really fun ride to get the day started. But now, I want to head off to the bigger stuff. All right, the next stop for me, and me only, is going to be Emperor. Now, Emperor here opened in 2021. Actually, I think it opened in 2022, now I think about it. And this is the reason that I was primarily interested in coming to the park. Of course, the other rides are nice, but this is the big boy right here that I'm really looking forward to riding. So I walked away over there, and it looks like Emperor is not operating right now. Not sure what happened with that. I don't think you can see over here. Let's pop. Right after we got off of Journey to Atlantis over here, it broke down as well. So currently 2 of the 3 major rides in this area are closed. So not exactly a great look for SeaWorld right now, but we'll try to come back and hopefully they'll be up in a little bit. Well, it looks like Electric Eel is still operating. So I guess this will actually be my second ride of the day. Let's do it. All right, so update. I waited in line for Electric Eel for about 30 minutes, only for the ride to break down as soon as I walked up there. So I've been here for a couple hours now. I've done one ride, and all three of their major attractions that we've been to have been closed. So SeaWorld, you need to fix something, but hopefully we'll be back in a little bit. I think we're gonna grab lunch now, and maybe after lunch, some of your rides will actually be open.
Is it dude or guy?
All right, so I got a chicken sandwich and some fries. Abby did as well. Lydia, what did you get?
I got like a Chipotle rice bowl.
All right, let's hope that this lunch fills us up and then maybe some of the rides will be open later. All right, after lunch, we've decided we're gonna hit up the Sea Lion and Otter show here, which I'm very excited about. I love otters.
Awesome job, bud. And then we're gonna show off that speed once we get lined up. All right, head on down. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for SeaWorld.
All right, we are going to attempt to get on a ride of Manta here. All right, we just got 2 rides done on Manta. First one was in the front row, second ride was in the back row, and overall, it's a really good, mild step-up roller coaster. 2 decent launches, nothing crazy. It stays really low to the ground, so there's no really any drops or anything like that. But it's pretty smooth, and like I said, it's just a lot of fun. It's a good family coaster, and you just can't go wrong with decent launch family coasters like this. So highly recommend. Great ride. All right, we're back at Emperor. We're gonna try again. Looks like it's open and running this time. So the question you guys have all been waiting for, is Emperor underrated? And the answer is a definite yes. It's a B&M dive coaster, one of the smaller ones in the United States. So I was a little worried that the height difference was gonna make a big difference, but it really didn't. I would like the drop to be a little bit bigger, but it was still amazing. 90 degrees straight down, quick transitions, beautiful inversions, and probably the smoothest B&M dive coaster I've ever been on. Maybe that's because it's pretty new. There was definitely more of a rattle in the back seat than in the front seat. The front seat was glossy smooth, so highly recommend. SeaWorld San Diego really needed a standout marquee attraction, and boy do they have it in Emperor. This is an amazing, amazing ride. B&M, you did it again. All right, I finally just got off of a ride of Electric Eel. Man, our Skyrocket Model 2 is fun. They are very small plot of land, obviously, but they pack a lot of thrills into that small area. Speed, height, launch, inversions, smooth, just fun overall rides. Abby and Lydia are getting delirious at the end of the day.
I don't even have enough energy anymore for that.
All right, guys, the only bigger coaster that you did today was Manta. What are your thoughts?
Both of them were big. Thank you.
What are your thoughts?
It was exhilarating. The first time we did it, I was screaming with I don't even know
both
what.
Times.
The second time I was talking nonsense. I was just, it was
dips,
exhilarating.
The dips are crazy. It feels like a lot of airtime to me, but I don't go on big roller coasters. The turns are wild too. I mean, you're going left and then all of a sudden you're going right, like a split second later. It's
Gotta
crazy.
keep your head facing forward.
I can
all
only
times.
ride it twice, otherwise I'll lose my voice from screaming.
My legs were shaking afterwards.
Yeah.
Well, after the mishaps of the rides this morning, everything did eventually get running, and we actually had a really great second half of the day. Really glad that we got to come down to SeaWorld today. Now, as you guys know, I am on a quest to ride every major roller coaster in the United States. So SeaWorld in San Diego here is just our second stop along the way. But we do want to end every video the same again. So let's check those stats on how many roller coasters I'm up to now and how many locations we're at. And of course, we also want to get our overall ranking list that we have going so far. So let's take a look at that as well. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching.